Welcome back, everybody. Today is an exciting day because I finally have the new Matchbox V case. And in my opinion, I think this is the greatest case of the year. There is so much really awesome cars in here. I've already opened it because I had to scan them at the store. But I always buy the whole case, and then I pick and choose the ones that I want if I find them on the shelf in the future. But I always like to have a full case at the start of finding the newer cases. So without further ado, well, before I start, I'll probably be doing other Matchbox videos throughout the week because there's a lot that has come out. And there's a lot of cool stuff. So, let's dig in and see what is in here. Alright. So, to start, put that over here. You get two of these Mazda MX-5 Miatas. And these have, well, you know what? Let's open one. Might as well. Oh, it's kind of stuffed in there. So here, it's black. The gold rims looks like the super fast wheels from the gold ones. Hopefully it's bright enough because this is a very dark black. It's like jet black. That's cool. That's a nice one. I think the other one was in red. But there's the Miata. Here's the card art. You get two of those, and then you get one of these holding lots of stuff. This is 2008 Holden VE UTE SSV. Lots of just letters thrown in. This is a utility vehicle. It is not a truck. That's awesome. We get that, and then this is one of the cars I've been waiting for, and I'm glad we get two of them. The Mclaren 720S Spider. And there are two of these, so here is the art for you on the card, which is awesome. And we will take this one out. And this is another convertible. Now let me know, because Hot Wheels has a bunch of these. Let me know if you think this one is just as good or better or worse. I personally like Matchbox better. So that is a very nice looking car there. And then we have a 2010 Ford F-150 animal control truck. Lots of plastic on this one. They need to just make this needs to be an F350. They need to make an F350 with none of this stuff, just a bed on it. And hell, maybe a dually. Oh, that would be cool. And if you have been paying attention in the world of Matchbox, they are bringing out their version of a Super Treasure Hunt called a Super Chase, which is just the same as Super Treasure Hunt. There will be real riders, different paint, and it will, right here, it will say Super Chase. So that's gonna be sweet. But here is the 1941 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible Coupe. They really are liking these convertibles in this set. Very nice. Very nice. And oh man, here we go. The 2020 Corvette C8. So the last one was, or the first one, well, that was blue. This is the second casting of this car. It is red. And I think, I'm glad how they did this. No deco, just a plain, nice, factory fresh vehicle. Just the way I like it. So this will go in I'm going to put this in one of my Sterling protector cases and set it along my other one. Like I said, this is a good set because look at this. This is a carded 2017 Honda Civic hatchback. Usually you're finding these in 5-packs. But this one, they put it in a card. They carded it. The only thing bad about Matchbox is that the card quality isn't always that great. They kind of just shove them in these boxes and they say, hey, good luck. So yeah, there's a Honda. Always great to find those. And then you're getting 2 of the mini, what is that, Swisher? It's basically a street cleaner. So, our first, yeah, that's the first fantasy car. Well, not really fantasy. I guess this is a real car. Just more on the construction side. I haven't seen that series. I wonder if they did away with it, but I do see construction. They are in a 5-pack, which is cool. But let's dig one out. There's 2, so we can open one. And it's very small. So there is that. And then lots of only ones of things. The 75 Chevy Caprice. Not a police vehicle, but just a regular old Caprice. It's in a 70s styles green. I forget what they call that. But that's not bad. I like seeing these older vehicles. Okay. All right. That's a Fiat. Okay, that's a 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo. I have not seen this casting. This may be new. I've only been collecting since 2019, so I don't know. I could be wrong. But this is the first time I'm seeing this. It's in a red. And it's pretty nice. Very detailed. As always, that's one of Matchbox's greatest features. And then, this is awesome. I can't wait to open one of these. The 84 Toyota MR2. Nice to see a Toyota. Yeah, I'm opening this for y'all. Thank God there's 2. This is awesome. Huge Toyota fan. Ooh. Oh, there's piece of plastic in there. Alright. Here we go. Nice little white MR2. Very detailed, of course. This is a pretty small car. They needed... Or hold on. Okay, so look at this. The headlights on the one in the car are up. These are down. I wonder if I can pop these up, because these are up. Y'all can see that, and these are down. That is the coolest thing that I've ever seen. Pop-up headlights. These have to come up. They do, because yeah, they come up. There is a tiny little indentation where you can stick maybe like a really small screwdriver, or if you have nails, which I don't. But yeah, these pop up and down. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Very interesting. Alright. Let's move on before I go nuts. This is the LEVC TX Taxi. So this is basically the same car as the last time they made this. It's even in the same color. I'm not going to spend too much time on this one. But there are two, so we can open another piece of plastic in there. But it's just a taxi. Cool. And now, for the 2021 Ford Bronco, this is definitely better than the Matchbox one, or the Hot Wheels one. Jesus. This one actually looks way better than the Bronco they did for Hot Wheels. It just looks better. It's not just a square box. This is a rectangle box. Nice red. Nice wheels too on these. So very impressed with that. Alright, let's keep going with this case. Ooh, a 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. Ooh, a little dusty. CLA shooting brake. Interesting. New. I'm gonna guess this is new. This is very dusty. Sorry about that, but this is only one per case. Dark black, very dark car. Cool. And then looks like we're getting two of the Mini Cooper S Cabrio. We will open one up. Let's see what we got. Okay. What is the color? This is like a pinkish purple. Convertible, racing stripes, detailed. The back is not as detailed. There's no brake lights. But they did do the front, which is cool. And then they got my favorite wheels on them. I absolutely love these 5 spokes. I think they're nice. There's that. Then we have the banana. Same as the last one that came out. Nothing changed, no color change. I'll have to pull the other one out and see the wheels. So, here's this. The banana. Let's pull one out. Come on, there we go. Alright, and I know it comes apart, which is hilarious. Alright, banana, get back on there. This is a real vehicle, by the way. I just don't remember where it is. But I think they use it for tours somewhere. But yeah, this is hilarious. And last car for the case, the 64 Austin Mini Cooper. Nice checkerboard on top. Baby blue color. Almost fully detailed, missing the back tail lights for that. But that will do it for this set. And like I said, I think this is great. The Toyota, the McLaren, the Corvette, all great castings, especially knowing now that these headlights pop up and down. I'm gonna have to, come on, do it for me. Leave one up and leave one down. Ooh. Oh well, I'll get it. But yeah, that is awesome. So I have more Matchbox that I will be showcasing throughout the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all on Wednesday.